What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the single trade I ended up taking today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, when looking at this chart, okay, look, we ended up gapping down in the morning. We had the previous support, our major level that I gave you guys at 603, okay? This was the previous floor of yesterday and the previous resistance of Friday. So, we ended up gapping down to a key level, right? We blew through it. I ended up getting into puts right here, okay? I was holding puts, told everyone we didn't even retest the biggest level from the last 2 days, okay? We had Jerome Powell speaking. We knew there's going to be a lot of effery happening, and I decided to hold this short. My original price target was around the 602.80, 602.70s level, okay? So as soon as I ended up buying in, of course we get in and it's just consolidation, right? Just before news, consolidation. I ended up adding to this position twice. It kept making me more bearish. As soon as this candle ended up coming, this made me extremely bearish. When I started seeing it that was closing weak, this is where I ended up adding again, and then we sold in the money, got the hell out of these, did not like the trade, nothing brag worthy. After that, honestly, guys, I've been extremely sick, and it's coming back a little. So today, after live stream this morning, I ended up just taking it easy. But if you've been keeping up with my videos, and the Discord knows that, first of all, we had a gap to fill yesterday's previous closing price, and ended up being a gap close reversal off the bat, a 2-point drop. A lot of the people in the community hit this trade. It was a beautiful trade. Another trade that people ended up getting was our key level. What I've been giving you guys in my YouTube videos, the best level to short, 605.80, right? It wasn't nothing too crazy of a trade, but it was still over a dollar drop on SPY from just this level. We knew going into this week, there's a lot of news. It's going to be volatile. Today wasn't too much news, but as you just looking at this chart, guys, I didn't love puts at all. Other than the 603 puts we ended up buying. After the gap close reversal, it ended up making a higher low, right? And then ended up making another higher low. And then ended up making another higher low. It kept a beautiful sloping support the whole day. So if you were trying to short this, unless you were scaling the move out, because we did have nice rejections at where? Yesterday's resistance, right? You see this common factor? We're trading where SPY has shown us to be U-turn levels. First, U-turn level, boom, gap close reversal. Next touch, ended up dropping down. But when you're getting shorts at previous resistances, you have to be careful. Even at key levels, you have to be looking at the full day chart, because not a lot of people are watching the higher low, right? They're holding for a massive dump. But look at higher low, right? So we knew the trend was still in the upwards direction until we ended up breaking the trend. So moving forward into tomorrow, again, nothing too brag-worthy. We ended up being in this trade for like 35 minutes. It sucked. I only made like just over 20 cents on my contracts. So nothing too crazy, but hey, a green day is a green day. Now let's look at tomorrow. We'll check the news first. So Wednesday, February 12th. Remember, forexfactory.com is the #1 website to go for news. What do we see at 8:30 a.m., 1 hour before market open? Boom. We got CPI data, right? Month over month, year over year, and the core. After that, 10 a.m., we have another red folder. Jerome Powell is testifying yet again. We have crude oil inventories at 10:30. Go back down, and that's it for tomorrow, okay? So what are the levels going to be watching? Majority of the news is going to be happening, or of the biggest trade of the day is unfortunately happening an hour before market open, okay? So I'm going to give you some deep price targets for the bullish and bearish side. So as you know, 608, sloping resistance on the higher time frames, macro sloping resistance, macro level at the 608 level. This is going to be the best level for puts. I'm not saying exactly at 607. We could come all the way up 50, 60 cents past it, right? Even break through the sloping resistance the first part before getting a deeper pullback. So the levels to be watching, right? We could reject anywhere here. We could reject at 606, which is a big level. You need to be paying attention to 606. I'm just giving you 608 because this is the best level and it is CPI tomorrow and a big move is going to happen, okay? We need to also keep an eye on the VIX. Make sure that VIX, right? If VIX starts getting elevated, a volatility is going to kick in. So bullish case scenario, the best levels to be trading at tomorrow is 606 and 608. That is the bullish side. Now, let's go back to the bearish side. What's the best levels to be trading at? Simple, 603, right? This orange level that I made for you guys yesterday. Next price target is going to be 602, give or take 20 cents in both directions, right? Last one is going to be 600, right? To 599, okay? Because we did bounce off here before. So these are, so put 599 on your chart, 600 on your chart, 602 on your chart, give or take. I personally have a line at 602.20 and I have a line at 601.79. So 20 cents in each direction. And then we have the 603, right? Obviously, you could be watching previous close, but I think we're going to open up a couple points move for sure in the up or the downside, 100%. So I'm just giving you deeper price targets to keep an eye out for, okay? So if you want to know the full trading plan, other than the macro, I want puts at 608 and I want calls at the 599.50, 600 level. Join the live stream tomorrow morning. The Daily Sniper, the #1 options Discord in the world. If you would like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, I live stream every single day. We do this live on voice. I'm not typing out trades. I'm walking everyone through the trades as best as I can because I'm putting my own money in these trades and I'm actually taking these trades and I'm explaining the opposite side of my trade as well. I'm not just giving you a biased opinion of what I'm doing. I will tell everyone. And everyone can tell you I'm doing this. I give you, guys, this is the reason why I am entering this trade. This is what I am seeing. If you have a different bias than me and you are in the opposite direction, this is where you should be buying. This is what you are looking for, and this is where you should enter. I do this every single day. If you would like to be part of us, guys, the link is in the bio. Use code GOAT for 30% off, and I'll see everyone tomorrow morning in the Daily Sniper community. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care, everyone.